A book.
It's music. It's a card, right? Can you open it again? Let's play. Let's see, Audrey. Can I look at it? Peacefully sleeping. Not a care in the world. Look at all that hair.
Again.
One more time, Audrey.
Book.
Yeah, it's a nice book, is it? It's got a song to it, hey?
Song.